Hello and welcome to another episode of English Podcast Section, your favorite podcast to improve your English one step at a time. Today's episode is called The 15-Minute Revolution: How Micro Habits Transform English Learning Forever. If you've ever said, "I don't have time to study English," then this episode is for you. Let's start with a question. What are microhabits? Microhabits are small actions you do every day. They take just a few minutes, but over time, they create big results. Think about brushing your teeth. It's a small habit, but doing it every day keeps your teeth healthy. Now imagine doing something small for your English, just 15 minutes a day. You might think 15 minutes is too short, but here's why it works. It's easy to start, no stress. It's easy to repeat. You can do it daily. It builds consistency, and consistency is more powerful than doing 2 hours once a week. Even 15 minutes of English a day adds up to over 90 hours in 1 year. So, what can you do in 15 minutes a day? Here are some simple ideas. Listen to this podcast. 1 episode a day equals real practice. Read 1 short article or a few pages of a book. Watch a YouTube video in English. Turn on the subtitles. Write 3 to 5 sentences in a journal about your day or your thoughts. Learn 5 new words. Use them in example sentences. Practice speaking for 5 minutes. Use voice memos on your phone. You don't need to do everything. Just choose one and stay consistent. Let me tell you about Anna, a student from Indonesia. She always said, "I'm too busy to learn English." But then she started a 15-minute habit. She listened to English podcasts while cooking. Every day, just 15 minutes. After 3 months, she noticed a big change. Her listening improved, her vocabulary grew, and she felt more confident speaking. That's the power of small, daily steps. Here's how to start your own 15-minute habit. Choose your best time: morning, lunch break, or evening. Pick just 1 simple activity. Use a timer or reminder to stay on track. Track your habit. A calendar or app can help. Reward yourself. Small wins keep you motivated. Remember, the goal is not perfection, it's progress. You don't need to change everything. Just start with 15 minutes every day. That's your English revolution. Small steps every day lead to big results later. So here's your challenge. What will your 15-minute habit be today? Tell us in the comments or write it down. Commit to it. Thanks for joining this episode of English Boost. If you enjoyed it, follow us for more simple and powerful English learning tips. Share this with a friend who also wants to learn English, one small step at a time. Until next time, keep learning. And remember, small habits, big future. You've got this.